Hello friends, welcome back to EcoPlants. In today video, I will show you how to grow papaya at home step by step from seed to harvest. Papaya is one of the fastest fruiting plant in the world. If you plant it today, you can start harvesting fruit in less than a year. That's right, just 8 to 10 months and you can enjoy fresh papayas right from your garden. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, antioxidant and digestive enzymes. It not just delicious but also a grateful natural medicine for a healthy lifestyle. So let's learn together how you can grow papayas easily in your backyard or even a large container. Papaya is actually a Gantt herb, not a full tree. It belongs to Caricaceae family. Some fun fact: papaya plant grow up to 10 feet tall in just 1 to 2 years. That produce fruit continuously for 3 to 4 years. There are male, female, and hermaphrodite plants. Only female and hermaphrodite plant bear fruits. Papaya love warm tropical or subtropical weather. Best temperature range 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. Cannot tolerate frost or waterlogging. Soil is well drainage. Sandy loam is best and soil pH is 6 to 6.5. Mix compost, cow dung manure or vermicompost before planting. Growing from seeds. Collect seed from a ripe healthy papaya fruit. Wash seed to remove the gelatinous coating. Dry them in shade for 1 to 2 days. And step third is sow seed in seed tray or directly in soil about 1 deep. Step fourth is keep soil moist but not soggy. Seed germinate in 10 to 15 days. Pro tips is sow at least 5 to 6 seed together in one spot because later you can thin out main plant and keep female or hermaphrodite one for fruiting, transplanting and spacing. Transplant seedling when they are 25 to 30 semi-tall, spacing at least 6 to 8 feet between plant in the garden. For container, choose large drum or pot at least a 50 liters. Always select healthy and vigorous seedling, watering and fertilization. Papaya need consistent moisture, water once every 2 to 3 days in summer. Avoid overwatering, roots are sensitive to rotting. Fertilization at planting, mix compost and bone meal. Every 30 to 40 days add vermicompost or organic liquid fertilizer. At flowering and fruiting stage, add more potassium like banana peel fertilizer or wood ash and bone meal. Pollination and flowering. Papaya start flowering 4 to 6 months after planting. Main plant produce only flower, no fruits, and female plant produce fruit but need male plant nearby the pollination. And hermaphrodite plant are best because they are both male and female flowers. Some pro tips: if you have limited space, grow hermaphrodite variety for guaranteed fruiting. Common problem and solutions: aphid and waterfly solution is neem oil spray. Use fruit fly trap. And disease is root rot. Avoid overwatering. And papaya mosaic virus. Remove infected plant quickly. Blossom drop, usually caused by lack of pollination. Hand pollination can help. Harvesting: papaya fruit are ready in 8 to 10 months after planting. Harvest when the fruit turn from green to light yellow. Twist or cut the fruit gently from the stem. If you want longer shelf life, harvest when fruits are slightly green and let them the ripe indoor. Some extra creative for you. Mulch around the plant to conserve moisture. Remove weed regularly. Protect from strong wind. And because papaya stem are soft and may bend, replant new papayas every 3 to 4 weeks as old plant lose productivity. So friends, that's what the complete step-by-step guide to growing papayas at home. Imagine within a few months you can enjoy fresh papayas directly from your own garden. They are healthy, delicious and super easy to grow. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Happy gardening.